Hey guys, Andrew Coster with Louisiana Grills. Today we're at the Danson's Training Center, and in this video we're going to be going over part replacement and maintenance on your Louisiana Grills vertical smoker. So in this video we're going to show you how to replace a fan in your vertical smoker. We've already gone ahead and removed all the internal components, the chimney and the door stopped, and flipped our grill onto its top and gave ourselves access to the wires. So the next step will be to remove screws that protect us from getting into our fan. So we're just removing these with the standard Phillips head screwdriver. The screws will just come right on out. Once we've removed the 4 screws, the housing will come right off. So now that we've got access to our fan, we're going to go ahead and remove all the screws holding it in place, disconnect it, and it'll come right off. And it does take a little bit of effort to pull these guys through the grommets, but you should be fine to just pull them right out. And your fan will come with it. So now that we've removed our fan from our vertical smoker, we're going to be able to replace it by doing all those steps just in reverse.